Question number 56. The hybridization of silver in the given complex is. In the given complex, if we talk about the hybridization, we should know that the shape of this molecule is linear. And that gives you the clear idea that the hybridization of this complex is sp hybridization. And where this is given in option 1. And that's why for this particular question, the answer is option 1. Question number 57 we have the coordination number and the oxidation number of metal M in the complex respectively are. The complex is given here, and in this complex we need to just find out the coordination number as well as the oxidation number. So if we talk about the coordination number, we need to just find out the total number of the donation sites. It means we have to check the ligands present here. In this complex, the ligands are there 3. Ammonia ligand are present, Cl2, 2 chlorine ligands are there, and sulfate ion is present as the ligand here. It means the total number of ligands are 6. And that's why the coordination number is also 6. And here if we just want to find out the oxidation number, what we need to do here? We just assume that the oxidation state of the metal M is X. I'm just assuming this is X. So the sum of the oxidation number should be 0 for this. This is a neutral ligand. That's why oxidation number is 0. Further, Cl2. It means minus 1 into 2 plus minus 2 for sulfate ion. And there is 0. Now, X would be equal to plus 4. It means the oxidation number that you can write here is plus 4. Now where these two are given here in option 3, and that's why option 3 is correct for this particular question. After this, question number 58, pi bond is not present in. Here are the complexes in which ligand is present with the metal, and there's the bonding between metal and ligand, where we have to check the ligand in which pi bond is not present. If we talk about the first complex, this is carbonyl in which CO is the ligand, carbon monoxide, and we know that in carbon monoxide pi bond is present. It means in this complex pi bond is there. FeCN6, Cn is the ligand, and we know that in case of Cn there is the pi bond. Further we have NH3, ammonia is the ligand here, and we know that in case of ammonia there is no pi bond. We know that structure of ammonia is of this type, where the lone pair is there on the nitrogen atom. There is no pi bond. It means this is the correct answer. And if we talk about the next complex in which the ligand is C5H5, there is also the presence of pi bond. It means easily we can choose here option 3 as the correct option. After that, question number 59 we have complex or the complexes formed during the hydrometallurgy of silver ore is R. It means in this case we have to just identify the process of hydrometallurgy that's taking place here for silver. We know that this hydrometallurgy process involves a leaching process also. And what's that process? In that process we take the silver ore and it is treated with sodium cyanide. And after the treatment there's the formation of a complex. When that complex is treated with some highly reactive metal like zinc, then we will obtain the silver. It means the process that's taking place, I'm just representing it with the help of chemical equation. We have silver metal that's present in the ore. This will react with NaCN. Basically the silver is dissolved in the solvent in the presence of water and oxygen. And here is the formation of the complex that is NaCN whole twice. This is sodium argentocyanate, and then there's the formation of the base. Let's balance this reaction also. This is the balanced equation that's taking place during the process of leaching. And now when this obtained complex is treated with some more reactive metal like zinc, then there's the formation of another complex. Now this time the complex of zinc is formed, So the silver you will obtain here. It means this is the process of hydrometallurgy, and simply the question asks you to find out the complex formed during this case. So what's the complex that's formed here? There are two. One is Na2ZnCN4, another is AgCN2 negative ions. These are the two ions, and that's why correct answer is here in option 4. After this, question number 60 I have. In the extraction of copper, the metal obtained by the reduction of cuprous oxide with. It means you just want to obtain the copper metal, and this is obtained by the treatment of cuprous oxide with another compound. What's that compound? Basically, this is the process of self-reduction, and here during that process copper oxide is formed. When it is treated with cupric sulfide, then there is the formation of copper metal. Along with that, sulfur dioxide gas is released. It means in this case, this would be the process that's taking place. So which substance, which compound we are taking here? We are taking here CO2S, and that's why option 4 I've marked here. Now, after this,